Now, comment based on the video. What do you think about same-sex marriage? People is free of do whatever that they want, but I think that God create a man and woman and they have to reproduce the humanity. So why same-sex get married at that cause harm in the society? Because our children can be born negative aspect of life. Do you think it happens in Dominican Republic? Yes, it happens, but not like in other countries. That is not prohibited, but there are a number of people that are gay living together. Do you agree or disagree with the issue? Gay marriage is not a religious issue. Gay marriage is a civil rights issue. For this reason, I don't agree with same-sex marriage. What would you suggest to the government of your country to do in order to take position toward same-sex marriage? In my personal opinion, the government had to create a program where give advice about how we had to live and whom we can get married. Once you finish, read and study in your book Hot Topics 1, Chapter 3 Modern Marriage until death do us apart. Work on the following exercise. Read the article. Look for the answer to your question. Page 29. Exercise. Check the facts reading 1A and B. Read the statement right, true, or false. Go back to reading 1 and look for the answer you are unsure of. Susan Fint is on the radio. True. Nervous in New Jersey wrote to Susan Fint. True. Nervous in New Jersey is a man. False. Nervous in New Jersey wants to get married. True. In 2003, most women say that only men should propose. False. Dr. Linda O'Connor is a divorce lawyer. False. The abyssal told Nervous in New Jersey to propose to her boyfriend. True. Answer the question. According to O'Connor, which adjectives describe women who propose to men? She says they are educated, strong, self-confident. What two suggestions does Susan Finn make? They should write up the proposal, practice it before they ask for their boyfriends' hands in marriage. Page 30. Exercise reading 2A and B. Read the statement and write true or false. Go back to reading 2 and look for the answer you are unsure of. Most married couples get divorced. True. There is a mathematical formula that predicts who should get married. False. A mathematician worked in a sociologist. False. For their study, the Richards videotaped couples. True. The couples took a writing test. False. The Richards gave each couple positive and negative points. True. If the score is bad, The couple has to get divorced? False. The formula predicts it incorrectly 6% of the time. False. Answer the question. What three things do the researchers look at? Look at the facial reaction, the body language, physical information such as hair rate. Find two examples of body language or facial reaction in the reading. Rolls the eyes, smile. Page 31. Exercise analyze. Which one of the women are real? How do you know? Monica, Miranda, Halle Berry. Halle Berry. Because in the reading say that the actress Halle asked her boyfriend to marry her and say that was in the real life. Why do you think Corbel Champagne Company did a survey about marriage? Well, I think the company did it to make women think that the century we were living is not just necessary to be the boy, the one who asks for the hands of the girl. They want to make them understand that they can do it too. Page 32. Exercise reading skill. Understanding transition words and phrases. Many transition words and phrases are used in English. Writers use transition words and phrases to connect ideas. These words and phrases may connect ideas from one sentence to another. They may also connect ideas within the same sentence. Some transition words and phrases add ideas together. He drank the soda and ate all the ice cream. Some transition words and phrases put action in type order. First, take two eggs, then break the in above. What do the underlined transition words and phrases from the reading do? In addition, their boyfriends usually like a strong woman. They connect this idea with the ones were before. She also advised women to do two more things. Here, the use of the transition words was used to add another idea to something she has already said. Then the readers listen to the conversation. They make readers understand that they were having a different opinion, but that is the same idea. After that, they give the couple positive points and negative points to express one more idea about the same topic. In the end, the readers add up the point to finish the idea of the topic the writer is writing. Page 33. Exercise Part 2. Read to find the answer to the question. What two countries does the writer talk about? He talks about Singapore and United States. What is each government doing about marriage? The United States government in Washington gives each of the 15 states money to encourage marriage. The states are using it to persuade the people that marriage is good. Some states are also offering clothes on marriage. but they are just helping the low-income people. Also, Singapore has started a government dating service, the Social Development Unit began in 1984. It organized parties and treats for single people. It also teaches single people about marriage. The source say that 50 to some Singaporeans had met and married through this service. The two government programs try to help different groups. What are the two groups? One special group, the poor and women with college degrees. How do people in each country feel about the programs? In United States, think that marriage is a private decision. They are also afraid that poor women men think they had to get married. In Singapore, some are happy, but others say that the government is not their parents. Page 35. Exercise, vocabulary word, reading skill. Guess meaning from context. Guess the meaning of the word and phrases from reading 3. What clues did you use? Clues. It looked like word I knew. I used word knowledge. There was a decision in the reading. There was an example in the reading. Makers, computer dating service, promotes, organize. Reading skill, identify, reference. What does its underlying word or phrase from reading 3 refer to? The government says that the future of the United States depends on strong families. However, its programs are not for all families. They are for one special group, the poor. Some government officials argue that women with children should have husbands. If they have husbands, they will not need money from the government. Some people are against government programs that advertise marriage. They say that marriage is a private decision. They are also afraid that poor women men think they had to get married. Refers about the program, about the people who held the program, about the wives, the opinions of the people who are not agreed, the people who are against the program, the poor woman. Page 36. Exercise. Talk about your ideas. Discuss these 3 points. The government should make it difficult to get married. Every couple should have to pass a course about marriage before they get a marriage license. No, I think the way they are doing it is right. They just need to teach couples how to solve some problem between them. To know then that marriage is not everything perfect, but they had to learn that problem had to be solved like educated people, not like if they had never known each other. Governments should use taxes to encourage marriage and divorce. Discourage divorce. Married couples should pay fewer